Changing your major on the Student Center page. At the Student Center page, select the menu icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Change of Majors Minors link. Select the Create New Request button. To change, drop a major or minor, follow the instructions as noted on numbers 1, 2, and 3. To make changes, such as keep, change, or drop, choose from the drop-down menu. In this example, we will choose Change. Please note, academic plan type must remain the same by major to major and by minor to minor. Select the search icon. You will be directed to a search page. Enter the name of the major or minor in the search box, then select Search. In this example, we will search for an English major. Select the major, then OK to advance to the next page. To add a major or a minor, choose the Add Majors Minors button below. And again, select the search icon to be directed to the search page. In this example, we will add a minor in Spanish. Enter the name of the minor in the search box, then select Search. Select the minor, then OK to advance to the next page. Once the academic plan changes have been indicated, select the Next button. Review and confirm your proposed changes. Your submission will go through an approval process. Please provide the reason for this request, then select Submit. Your submission is now complete.